in my soul, a call that I cannot ignore. Through deserts wide and mountains tall, I seek you, oh Allah. No